Hi everyone, it's Jane here. Today I'd just like to give you a quick demonstration on how to use LinkPresto Pro. It's quite simple to use. First of all, when you first load up LinkPresto and you've entered your username, email and your unlock code, which it'll only ask you for the first time it loads per new machine, the first thing to do after that would be to go to Tools menu, and then if you click here you can enter your capture accounts such as deCAPTCHA, death by capture and also bypass capture. Don't worry if you haven't got a bypass capture or death by capture or deCAPTCHA account, because if you don't then it will pop a box up so you can enter the capture manually. Okay, now we've got that out of the way. The first thing to do when you first load it up is go to account details. Now these are the username, email and password that you want to use to create the accounts. It's sometimes a good idea to put your username as your keyword, so we'll put here link building 602, and we've made a test email just for this, so we'll put enter that there and the password. Okay, once we've done that you can go back to this tab, enter your website that you want the link to point to, so we'll put bing.com. Okay, nothing to do with us Bing, by the way, it's just an example. Number of links to post, this is how many links you want to make, so we'll do 5 to start off with, and the start link position is whether you want it to start at the beginning of the list or maybe you've posted 5 or 10 or 20 links before, so for this we'll just enter 0, but you can put that to start whatever you want. Okay, now we haven't loaded any lists up yet, so we'll go to the link scraper and we'll select which footprint we want to scrape. In this case I'll use the Expression Engine. Now we've got a nice little neat PageRank checker built into this also, so you can pick which PageRank sites you want to post to, you want to create your links on. So for this we'll put PageRank 2 to 9. Make sure the check PageRank box is checked. Keyword, well, I'll just pick any, so I won't put keyword in there, and then it'll search for everything, and then I'll hit start scrape. It will take a few minutes to do your searching, depending how many results are in your niche. As you can see there, captures come up by Google straight away. It does automatically solve capture, so you don't need to type anything there unless you haven't entered any deCAPTCHA details in. And like I said, a box will pop up. There's just bypass the capture. So now I'll go and search Google for the results. As you can see here, the status is in progress, so we just wait for now for that to finish getting the links for you. Once this is actually finished, then what it'll do is, if you've got the check PageRank box ticked up there, then what it'll do, once this gets to 30 or 31 pages, we've actually limited it, save Google banning you or rate limiting you, we've limited it to 300 results. So once this is finished, if you've got check PageRank ticked, then don't be surprised if at the bottom of your screen in your by your taskbar it pops up a little black command box. That's just the LinkPresto engine grabbing the page ranks for you. Okay, that's finished now. As you can see, it says checking PageRank. Press OK to start PageRank checks. This may take a while. Okay, this is the point where a little black box pops up. It's just at the bottom off the screen, so you can't see it on this demonstration at the moment. I'll just pause it for a second while the PageRank completes, and then I'll unpause it, save you waiting a while. Okay, that little thing took about 7 to 8 minutes then to do the PageRank of 300 sites. Now the status has changed to sorting sites. Now what that actually does is it actually posts to the LinkPresto poster here, the filtered page ranks between your minimum page rank, which is 2, or whichever you've picked, and in this case it's 2, and maximum, which in this case we've picked 9. So once that's finished saying sorting sites, then I'll show you the file that actually outputs, which you can load into Excel or something similar to show you the page ranks of all the sites that you've just scraped. Okay, that just took a couple of minutes, and then a box pops up to tell you that it's completed. Right, okay, so that file there that it's actually scraped all your links is actually saved, like I said, directly into LinkPresto main poster. But if you do want to manually edit the links in that file, or replace the links in that file with some links maybe you've got from Scrapebox or another scraper, then all you do is bring up your folder where LinkPresto Pro is installed, and then you'll see a file, well, you'll see a few files, but the main ones that you're interested in, this justurls.txt, that is what LinkPresto main poster reads, and there's all the links there that you've just posted, that we're just about to post to. So you can replace the links in there with your own links as long as they're for the right platform that you're posting to. Now the page rank checked links, if we just load this here, now this is all the links that we scraped. It then, what it does is gets all the sites that it's scraped, and then it checks every single site for the page rank, and then it outputs the filtered page ranks, your min max, into that file, which is automatically passed. This one here, if you do want to see it, can be loaded up in something like Excel, and it'll give you the page rank and the URL of the sites. Just that should load Excel in a second. Okay, that's loaded in Excel. Just expand these columns a little bit. There you go, and as you can see, there's the different sites. It says URL there, and there's the page rank of the different sites. So you've got that list for future reference if you need it. You can do whatever you need to with that anyway. That's just your, but that is the page rank of every single link it found, not just the filtered ones. The filtered ones, like I said, is just stored in that justurls.txt. Okay, back to LinkPresto now. So we've just scraped we've got a list of sites between PR2 and PR9, just to see what's actually in them sites. It's here in this file, so we'll have a look how many sites we've got. Okay, we've got quite a few. They're all between PR2 and PR9. Okay, we go to LinkPresto and we check that we've entered the account details, which we obviously have. Then we go to the main tab. We select the platform that we want to post to, so we just scraped Expression Engine. So we'll do that. Okay, 5 posts, then click Post. That then will go to links 1 to 5 in the file. Some of them might actually not be Expression Engine sites. Some of them might be old and retired sites, so don't panic if a few do fail, but the majority should be good because it's Google results. As you can see, that it's just filled in all the information that it needs, and you can see from the status it says in progress. There you go, registration successful, thank you. You've just been sent an email containing your membership details. Okay. So most sites do need email verification, which we'll go through in a second. We'll just let this one post. As you can see, it's posting our URL, what we put, which was Bing, which obviously isn't our URL, but it's a URL that we're linking to. And there's our email address. It's solved the captcha. Username already existed, we've already posted, so that's awfully sorry. That's probably been in our testing. Okay, there's another one. Thank you. Your registration's been successfully completed. Okay, what we'll do now is we'll just pause this while it does the other 3 sites, save making the video too long for you. When it's finished posting, it'll say status complete there. Once that's complete, basically what you want to do now is verify your emails. Now, usually you'd leave it a short while before you do this, because some of the emails may not have even got to you by now. So what you do is, give it a short while, and then verify your emails. Now, this is semi-intelligent, so we're using Hotmail, so we have it in this list here. We have some of the popular email providers settings already set, so we'll select Hotmail. But don't worry if you haven't, because if your email provider isn't in this list, or you've got your own domain, then you simply go to Other, and then you type in your mail server there. Details on your mail server can be found from your ISP or domain provider or something like that. Usually it's mail.domain, and then it's normally POP3 or POP3 with SSL, and then depends on the port. So you're best getting the correct information from your provider there anyway. But in this case, we're using Hotmail, like I said. So we'll select Hotmail. We'll type in our email address here. So it's LinkPresto test hotmail.com. Grab the password. Okay, so don't worry about mail server, POP3 or port. You just click, once you put your username and password in, you just click verify emails. That then, as you can see, it's filled in the mail server and the connection type and changed the port. That then goes off and checks your emails, and any emails that's in your box it'll actually open, and it'll click the verification links. Obviously we've done it a bit quick there, so we might not have received the verification links. This is why we suggest that you wait a little bit before you verify the email, but it just saves you some time rather than doing it by hand anyway. Okay, once you've done that, then that's about it basically. You can go to the main, you can scrape different links, different platforms. If you want to know which sites you've actually posted to, it's a bit difficult because you've got to check you've verify your email before the links will actually post on some of them, appear. So if you want to verify what links have actually been posted, then check your verification emails and go to them sites and click on the members list, and then you should see your username that you put in account details here. Like that, ours is $$ link building 602. So what we'd see is in latest members or alphabetical members, sort by alphabetical or latest members, then you'd see our username there, and at the side of it you'd see our website. I hope you enjoyed the demonstration, and if you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to submit a ticket. Don't forget you need your license and PayPal transaction number, but you can make an account at www.client-area.biz for support if needed. Thanks very much for your time.